Yo, what's going on today, fam? Back again, I'm working on the vet. So we're doing a fuel filter, a genuine AC Delco. Here's the part number right here. So you definitely want to make sure, and that yours has this style fuel filter. I know there was two different kinds through the lifespan of the C5. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. You will need some special tools. You're gonna need a fuel line, a disconnect tool for this, which I have one right here. But yeah, I'll make sure to have this linked in the description, and I'll link a fuel line, a disconnect tool in the description there for you. But the first thing we need to do is bleed off the pressure and from the system, because the system is still pressurized. So how we're gonna do that is we're gonna have to pop our hood, and it's a Schrader valve on your fuel line, and I'll show you guys in a moment. So if you come over to the driver's side of your engine and look at the fuel rail right here, there's a little cap. You take that off, and if you look inside, there's a little valve right there. So all you're gonna do is just take like a screwdriver or something like that and just push that valve in. Then we should be good. So my car has been sitting for a while, so there wasn't a whole lot of pressure in the line. Like, you know, I put a screwdriver in, I pushed it, nothing came out whatsoever. But like, if this was pressurized, you know, like if the car was running, fuel would be going, and you press that in, like fuel would just go spurting out. But now that the pressure is relieved, we're gonna go ahead and raise up the car, and we'll go under. All right, y'all, so we're underneath the car now. We're on the rear driver's side of the car, like right next to the transmission. If you look inside this little tub right here, you'll see this. It's not that much light, hold on. Okay, there's a little bit more light for you guys. So you can see there's 3 lines that go to it. There's 2 plastic lines that you'll just be able to get with your hands. You'll just come and pinch those together, and you'll just be able to push that line off. But this last line right here, the line where you'll need that special tool, and you'll come over like this, and you'll push that in like that, and it'll be a quick disconnect, and then you'll be able to pull the whole thing off. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get these 2 lines off first, and then I'll go ahead and loosen this 10 millimeter nut right there, and then we'll use this quicker nut to get that off right there. So I'm gonna go ahead, start this process right quick. Honestly, this is a pretty easy one. But yeah, I'm gonna knock this out. Hopefully it don't take you 2 hours. All right, y'all, so I got a new fuel filter right here. I put the new clamps on like that. Super easy, honestly, man. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in this fuel line that goes in there first, because it's the quick disconnect one, snap that in. And then I'm gonna just bolt it back up, then we done, man. Super simple. I'm gonna have this linked in the description along with the designated tool that you need in order to do this. And just make you guys' life way easier. But yep, let me get this in. So a new filter is in. As you can see, everything's connected as it should be. I mean, like super simple install, if I'm being honest there. I just did this for maintenance reasons. Like my car has, how many miles now? Like 60,000 miles. I'm sure it's never been changed in its lifetime, so I just wanted to change it. Like you never know what's in your fuel, you know what I mean? Like when it's transferred from the tankers to the like gas station, there's like different debris and stuff that can fall in there, and sometimes unfortunately it makes it into your car's fuel system. So it's just a good thing to change every like 50,000 miles or so. At least I think so. Just keep in mind though, you have no pressure in your fuel system. And so before you go to start the car, just make sure you put it on the on position, but don't put it on the start position just yet, and just so it can build up pressure. So you'll hear your fuel pump like priming the system, and then once that goes off, then you know you're good to start the car. But if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments below. Take it easy.
Coach.